How do you feel about your boss? And why am I asking this question? Hi, this is Anirban Das. I'm a career happiness architect and I help working professionals achieve happiness at work and lead their dream careers in the shortest possible time. So how do you feel about your boss? Let me guess. You're thinking, my boss is a scoundrel. My boss is a kutta kamina. Perhaps you're using worse language than what I'm using right now. And so, blah, 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 XXX, bleep, beep, beep, beep. So, why is this question very important? Because did you know that data shows that 60% of employees, or over 60%, don't leave their companies, they leave their bosses. Communication, there's a very powerful concept or a very powerful thing called generalization. Which means what? As human beings, we tend to generalize things. So the question is, let me ask you now, if you feel that your boss is beep, 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 I have beeped out all the curse words. Is that always true? Please go back to all the interactions you've had with him. Can you say for 100% sure that your boss is beep, 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 beep? All the interactions you've had with him, or you've seen him having with other people, 100% of the time the person acts like a beep, 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 beep. I can assure you that's not the case. If you actually note down the incidents, you will find that that person does not always behave the way you think that person behaves. So what's happening here? You have been telling yourself, there's a record in our mind, and we have been telling yourself that this person is this person is kamina, this person is this scoundrel, this person is a dictator, this person is blah blah blah. So because of what's happening, you are playing this multiple times. And you are also telling other people in your frustration. And there is some other frustrated employee in the team. That person also giving his own version. So every time that person gives his version, you say, yes, I knew it. This person is a kamina. This person is this. So your own beliefs start getting validated. You are developing what I call a very, very powerful belief about this person. So who is suffering in this? Your boss is suffering or you are suffering? Huh? Who's suffering? The record is playing in your head or your boss's head? Now, what's happening here is, now here's the thing. What you've done here is, you have generalized certain things about him based on the record that you're playing in mind and because what you've heard from others. 99% of the time, it is not backed by data. Actual evidences. And that is going to affect your happiness. So the next time you feel my boss is so and so, always behaves in a particular way, check your thoughts. Are you generalizing or is it actually backed by hard evidence, hard data? And that will make all the difference in your happiness, make a big impact. So does this resonate with you? Does it make sense to you? If you have any other thought, any such things, if this didn't make sense to you, just type make sense in the comments below. And have you registered for my live masterclass yet? Discover the 3 secrets to lead your dream career. If not, then kya kar rahe ho bhai? This masterclass will be the transforming turning point in your life and career. So go to the comments below where I placed the registration link for the masterclass, or you can check my bio. Normally I charge rupees 999 for this masterclass, but I'm offering this free for the first 5 registrants only because I wish to really help you. So register now and start laying the foundation of your dream career as early as possible. I'll now see you live. Take care.